Good morning, students, and welcome to your online class. I hope you all are doing well. And today we'll be discussing about IoT and WOT, which is Internet of Things and Web of Things. Internet of Things, IoT. What is it? Before I tell you that what is IoT, have you ever listened to some stories like this, that a person is able to monitor his home while he is not at home with the help of his smartphone? Or maybe the car sensor is alerting the car owner about the low air pressure, or maybe the scientists are able to monitor the progress of any water animal who was operated upon. So these are few examples which are the example of IoT. So what is basically IoT? Let us look into the definition. IoT, which is Internet of Things, is actually a new age technology that allows the computing device to transfer the data over a network without human interaction, or without human to human or human to computer interaction. That means the computing device which are capable of controlling the data and transferring the data over the network and sharing it with you. You can take an example of many which I have given you. Suppose a person is monitoring his home from his office with the help of the smartphone. So it means the computing device, which is the smartphone, and the device which is attached at the home like a web camera, that is capable of transferring the data to the smartphone, via which a person can monitor his house. Some of the practical applications of IoT technologies can be seen in many fields. You can see in a health and fitness department where some IoT smart gadgets like Fitbit, Jawbone or Nike that monitor your heart rate, blood pressure and take the actions accordingly, such as sending emergency messages or updating daily fitness log or contacting the appointed doctor. So there are many other. The second one is home security. There are many home security and safety devices available for everyone, which can enable the video surveillance or motion or temperature and air quality control to help and protect your family and home when you are not around, or you are in some other country or in some other area and you want to monitor your home, you want to make it safe and secure. So you can take the help of these technology, these devices which are available. The third one is transport. Driverless cars are very common these days, which can not only drive on road without drivers but also can be in touch with the server all the time. The next one is the shopping, wherein the smart refrigerators nowadays are designed in such a way that they can order for grocery items as soon as their quantity in fridge goes below a set level. And here comes the smart cities. The IoT technology is now the main enabler of making smart city a reality, a real come story. Smart surveillance, automated transportation, smarter energy management systems, water distribution, urban security and environmental monitoring are such an example of Internet of Things application for smart cities. So I hope you have understood IoT. Now let us see what is WOT, Web of Things. Web of Things. It is basically a framework with a vision where everyday's smart devices and objects are connected to the web using existing web technologies and standards. You can understand it like this. No new standards or technologies are developed for Web of Things. Already there are smart devices and objects available like smartphones, smart sensor networks, smart refrigerators and watches. Web of Things reuses these web standards to connect to the smart devices with the web. You can understand like this that WOT uses some common standards such as URL, Uniform Resource Locator or HTTP of the web to access the functionality of these smart objects which are already been developed, and they can expand their network. Sensors. We have access to many sensors around us directly or indirectly. Sensor of smoke, which you may find in school building or in office, which can raise the alarm at the moment where smoke is detected. Now smartphone can also detect the change in direction. Whenever you go wrong, they prompt us, or a particular phone is detected near your phone or near your smart device. So these are the sensors. It is basically, they are defined as the devices which measure some physical energy and convert it to some type of signals. Sensors are also used for measuring the physical properties such as temperature, resistance, conduction, and heat transfer. Different type of sensors that are commonly used in various applications are temperature sensor for measuring the change in temperature. Proximity sensor measures the position of the object related to the screen of a device. Pressure sensor measure the pressure or change in the pressure. Smoke, gas, and alcohol sensor which measure the leakage of smoke, gas, or alcohol. There are many other sensors you can see: touch sensor, humidity sensor, etc. Sensors plays a very important role in Internet of Things. Smart sensors are basically the intelligent sensors that can convert the measured quantities into the digital data, process them, and then transmit them to do a certain kind of decision, or we can perform a decision on the basis of that data. Now let us look into the concept of smart city. What is smart city? Smart city, or you can say any city, can be said to be a smart city that uses the technology to provide the services and solve the city problems. A smart city does the things like improved transportation and accessibility, improved social services, improved quality and sustainability. It uses the digital technology to connect, protect, and enhance the life of the citizens. With the help of IoT sensors, Internet of Things sensors, video cameras, social media, and other input act as a nervous system, providing the city operator and citizens with constant feedback so that they can make informed decisions. So these are the sensors which help us to make our city smart, because on a continuous basis they will be providing the signals. They will help in improving the quality of the city. They will give you the improved transportation, improved services, and these are called as a nervous system of smart city. How a city is made smart, or how you can say that it is a smart city, or what a smart city do for us. It provides an intelligent network of connected machines to us, the data transmission using wireless technologies and the cloud-based Internet Things applications, the citizens engagement using smartphones and mobile devices, and then decreased traffic congestion, improved energy distribution. So these are few points which makes the city smart, because it provides you so digital technology, used of wireless technologies and cloud computing, and the intelligent network of connected machines, which makes the city smart, which makes the citizens of India to live in a smart city without any problem. Now we are so much used to the living in a smart city in the digital world, that where we are getting a free Wi-Fi in a station or near to the building, the smart transportation are there, driverless cars are there. Now to maintain to the traffic signals, to decrease the traffic congestion, there are different kind of applications which controls the traffic. So these are few points which can be taken into consideration, that which makes our life so easy as we are living in a smart city. So we are taking the help of all these, which can monitor your health also. You can get a free Wi-Fi wherever you go. So these are the facilities provided by the government to make our city smart. We cannot imagine a life without all these facilities and all these applications which help us in each and every moment of life to do our work very fast and in a convenient and easy way. So students, that's all for today. I have discussed about the Internet of Things and Web of Things. If you have problem in understanding any of the topic, do text me. Till then, see the video very properly. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so much.